If you want to turn your followers into loyal customers, then this is the video for you. It took me 2 years and writing hundreds of emails to learn these lessons. Today, I'm revealing the 9 most profitable emails you must send to your list every month to keep your audience engaged and to skyrocket your sales. Let's dive in. Number 1, the problem solving email. Take a big problem your reader has and show them how to solve it. If you don't know what problem or pain point your reader has, you can easily find out by doing research, and you'll be able to speak the language your reader speak. As a result, they will trust you more and like you more. Because when someone understands people, the why, the what, the how, we understand the trigger of action and we get connected to people on a deeper level. I'm not going to get into details here how to do copywriting or market research because I already have an in-depth video about how to do market research, which you can watch from the I button. Number 2, the I need a favor email. This is an email that you need to send to your list at least twice a year, basically every 6 months. The purpose of this email to ask people what's the biggest problem they are having or facing regarding X or the solution you provide. This will help you with 3 things. Number 1, get endless email ideas from people who actually want to hear from you. Number 2, discover new product ideas. More product means more revenue. And number 3, boost your ESP reputation. More replies means fewer emails going to spam. Number 3, the reply email. If your emails are good, you'll see that even more people are replying to you. Turn those questions as a content. Send them once a month or every week. You'll see that you get even more engagement over time. Number 4, the story email. 90% of the time, people don't buy a product. They buy a story. Let me explain. When you buy a car, you don't just buy a metal and wheels. You imagine driving it, the adventures you'll have, and how it will improve your life, and all the things you're gonna do with it. You create a story in your mind. Likewise, most of the time when you are going to make a purchase, you tell yourself a story. The thing that you're going to do with the product. The stories work the same way in marketing. If your story connects with your reader's problem, they will see themselves in it. That's why storytelling is so powerful. It builds trust and emotional connection. It makes your message more memorable. It creates loyal and long-term customers. So tell more stories. Number 5, the current events email. Who doesn't like controversy or drama? Take a popular event that's ongoing on your niche and give your opinion on it. This is something you'll see a lot of people do in Instagram short or YouTube videos. This is an easy way for you to generate more interest and show your expertise. Number 6, the teaser link. Let's say you are a coach. You read a lot of books, you read a lot of articles, blog posts, you watch a lot of content. You can simply write about the thing you read or do and send people a link to them. This is a simple way to train people on your list to click more of your links. Also, if you send things that are related to what they want, they will open and read more of your emails. You can also send your video links or content, but it doesn't always have to be yours because sometimes others can do a good job at convincing people. Number 7, the testimonial email. Whether it's online or offline, whenever you want to buy something, what's the first thing you do? You check reviews or see what results others have gotten from this. Do the same in your email. Send testimonial-based email. Share your customers' success stories because social proof builds credibility and drives sales. Number 8, the affiliate emails. You don't always have to sell your own stuff. There are a ton of things you do or use on a daily basis that make your life better. Chances are 99% of them have affiliate link available. You can simply write about these things, how you use them, how they make your life better. It doesn't have to be a hard pitch. It can be just a friend writing to another friend the thing that they use. It's that simple. Number 9, the direct sales email. This is the email where you just send a direct pitch to your list. It can be your offer, it can be a promotion you're running, it can be a discount, it can be anything, or it doesn't have to be a discount, it can be just a sales pitch. For this type of email, you can use 2 formula. 1, AIDA, which is attention, interest, desire, and action. And number 2, PATG, problem, why do they have the problem, or agitate or tease the problem and give them the solution. So there you have it, 9 types of email you can send to your list every month, and you'll see your open rate, click rates and your sales increase. Now, sending this email is one thing, but what if there is an easy way for you to even make more money? In fact, this will allow you to make money while you are sleeping. Yes, I'm talking about setting up proper automation. And in this video, I talked about 4 types of email marketing campaign or automation that will increase your sales.